afterwards, we're going to sing the song. Do you like new song? Yes. You like the song about love? Yes. When you go home, you might go and sing it to your mom. Okay? I love you. Can you everyone say that? I love you. Okay, again. I love you. Now the next sentence is say, you love me. You love me. You love me. Sẽ là từ tiền đọc bài được. I'm gonna finish the song. I love you. You love me. We're a happy family with a great big heart and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Is that a nice song? Yes. See, we might sing it today, tomorrow, and then again. But can we do it all together? Okay, by doing the actions. Can everyone stand up? Everyone stand up. Everyone stand up. One, two, three, four. Come on, get out. I love you. You love me. We're a happy family with a great big heart and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Thank you, everyone. And another thing there's a CD here that had another song about our house. Maybe we'll play it later, but because time is running out, so sing it. Like the giving of a heart, you might come to your little heart and you might paste it on this card, and then when you go home, then that's the send it. You give it to mommy. Or one thing we were talking about, we might have some friends at the hospital, and then we might go later on, or you can go ask your mom, take home your little card with your love, with your heart. Or remember the paper that I asked you to scribble? You might give that to your mom and dad, or grandma or grandfather, whoever is at home that you feel that you really need to show them about their love for you, and that is showing your appreciation. Remember you're a kid, and share it. When everyone is going home with their card, you are going to give it to mommy, and then you're going to give mommy a big hug or a big kiss on the cheek, and then say, "Mommy, I love you." Raise up your hand if you want to do that to your mommy. You want to do that to your mommy? Yes. And everyone does. I often do that to my mommy when I was a little kid. And that's made her mom, that's made our mommy very, very happy. So by giving this to mommy, giving her a big hug and saying, "Mommy, I love you," or giving daddy a big hug, that is showing your appreciation